This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing accounts so the link completes without hiccups. Sign into your Epic Games account on a browser, then make sure you are signed into the console profile you want to link. Once done, verify your console email is reachable because Epic may send a confirmation. Make sure two-factor authentication is enabled on Epic to prevent account blocks. It also speeds verification. This avoids duplicate account creation and preserves purchases, so take these short prep steps before moving to the link flow. You now begin the actual linking process inside Epic account settings. Navigate to Connections, then Accounts, and choose the console platform you use. When Epic opens the platform's sign-in window, enter your console credentials and authorize Epic to access basic profile and purchase data. Once you grant permission, Epic will confirm the connection. If prompted, select the correct console profile to attach. Make sure to read permission scopes so you understand why Epic needs access. This ensures purchased items and progress. You finish by verifying the link and syncing your content. Check Epic's Connections menu to confirm the console shows as linked, then launch the game on that console and allow data to sync. If purchases or progress don't appear, sign out and back in on both accounts, or unlink and relink from Epic to force a refresh. As a key troubleshooting tip, if account mismatches persist, contact Epic support with both account emails and recent purchase receipts so they can reconcile duplicates or recover lost and tied.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.